Please subscribe to Easy Web Tutorials Hub. Please subscribe. It's one thing to get the right information, and it's another thing to get into work and do the right thing at the right time. Okay, so in most of our videos, we try to do the right thing, like showing you what you should do to make money online, even without you searching those things online. What we do actually is to go online, try out things. Whenever they work, we come here to share them with you the right way. All right, so you will learn exactly how you can make money online without you searching for those things. All right, so we've made them available for you, so you should just subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you want to be getting updates regarding this almost all the time. All right, so in this tutorial we're going to be guiding you on how you can make money online just by shortening URL. On Easy Web Tutorials Hub, what we do actually is to learn new things and share them with you, and you can start making money the same way we are making money with it already. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel so that you get updated each time we post new content. Endeavor to hit the notification bell icon so that you can get notified each time we drop a video like this. Like the video, we're going to be showing you two different websites that will pay you money just to share links with your friends on Facebook. All right, so unlike so many persons, they get up to 2,000 30,000 likes on Facebook without making money from it, and you can use this simple method to make money online just by sharing shortened URL. You don't need to own a website or maybe a YouTube channel to run these things. These are things you can run with link from other websites. You shorten those links from other websites, then you share with your audience and they click on it. Whenever they watch an ad, you get paid immediately without doing nothing. All right, there is something we call passive income, and there are other methods of income that you can see that yes, you're earning money. Okay, so for the passive income, you can be sleeping, you still make your money. All right, so the first website I'm going to be introducing you to is called the Shorty.st. On Shorty.st, you monetize your website and links you share. Monetizing your website is for the advertisers, while the links you share is for the publishers. All right, so for the publishers, you can just kindly sign up an account with them and you get paid for each link clicks your audience you share the link with click. All right, so what you should do is just to kindly click and create an account, a simple account with your email and your username. All right, so when you do this, you can kindly start sharing the links with your audience on Facebook, Tumblr, on Quora, and some of those link sharing platforms, even on Nairaland as a Nigerian. Okay, so here they have over 300,000 earning users, and they are website and the blog owners, social media and community members, online marketers, and affiliates. All right, so these are the three kind of persons that make money from these very websites. Okay, just by shortening URL and sharing with their audience. Okay, they are fast growing and a reliable ad network. These are ad network as well, in that irrespective of the fact that they just share links and people know that they shorten links. Apart from that, they pay people for sharing their shortened link. All right, so you should endeavor to create an account. Okay, now let's just scroll down. They are healthy, they are highly converting ads. All right, so what you should do now is kindly click on the join button here, or maybe you can contact them to get more information, but click on the join button. When you come here, you enter your email, you confirm your email, enter your password, you click on the I have read terms and conditions, but you can still go on to read the terms and conditions to be sure about what they do here. All right, so you enter your password. After entering your password, you click on the confirm that you read the terms and conditions. All right, the captcha verification, you click on the taxes as they demanded, then you verify to be sure that you're not a robot. All right, they are dealing with human here, not robot. So after doing that, you can just kindly click on the register button. When you click on the register button, kindly go to your email address and confirm the email. All right, confirm the email and you're on the go to your dashboard. You have a friendly dashboard. All right, so please, in case you are enjoying this video, kindly hit the subscribe button to get subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you get notified each time we drop a video like this. Okay, so now we head over to the second website, which is called al.ly. All right, al.ly is a website that earns you money by sharing short links. Okay, there are a lot of persons that are getting paid here. You get the minimum withdrawal you can have here is just $1. All right, and you can be paid via PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and the likes of them. All right, it's something very simple that you can do. Okay, here their website is all. Here are the website awesome features. All right, so I'm gonna be walking you through it, and you'll see them one after the other, so that you get a proper knowledge about al.ly, a link sharing platform that pay you money for doing less job. All right, so here we have something like low monetization. All right, sorry, low minimum payouts, and we have fast payments. The payment is fast, which is just $1, and the referrals you get 20% compensation. Their powerful dashboard, you can see the dashboard on the PC. All right, so these are some of the wonderful features about al.ly, where you can make money online just by sharing links. It's something very simple that anybody can do. Even yourself, you can do it with your phone, with your smartphone. You can do all of those things and you get paid via PayPal, Skrill, Payza, and Payoneer. These are popular payment methods. All right, so anybody can do this and still get paid. All right, so here is the website. You click on the get started, input your username, input your email address, your password, and you confirm the password. All right, if you fulfill this if you fulfill all righteousness, you can go on and create the account, confirm your email, and you go straight to your dashboard and start the work immediately. But it's important to create a landing page for this. Okay, create a landing page, get a movie trailer image that will convince people to click your links. Then you redirect them to that and you embed your link to the image. You are good to go. You start making money right away, the same way we do here on Easy Web Tutorials Hub. It's something very simple and something easy that anybody can do from the comfort of their home. All right, like I said earlier, you don't need to search on the web anymore. Like, we are here to serve you right, serve you better, and do the things. We'll show you exactly how we do our own things. Then you can replicate. All right, you can replicate the same method and start making money online. Always, like, you can start making money online while you smile to the bank at ease. All right, this is something very hard. It's something as easy as we have stated. You should endeavor to watch the video. In case you're confused about any part, you should drop a comment. All right, drop a comment and you'll be cleared. And like we always stress, financial freedom is important, and that's why we try to update you on the things you need to do to avoid poverty, to avoid being broke. All right, so subscribe to the channel and be ready to get lots and lots of ways to make money online from us. All right, we're going to be updating you on that always. All right, so please subscribe to Easy Web Tutorials Hub. Subscribe, please.